This is my CSR proposal presentation, and well, let's begin. First of all, I'd like to begin with the original definition of CSR by this organization, which is the UNIDO. Management. Well, CSR is a management concept whereby companies integrate social and environmental concerns in their business operation and interactions with their stakeholders. I hope this was clear and correct. Now, moving on. Now, the benefits for having a proper CSR, a proper corporate social responsibility, are first of all, winning new businesses, increasing customer retention, develop and enhance old and also new relationships with customers, suppliers, and networks. Yes, now attract, retain, and maintain a happy workforce, and of course, be an employer of choice. Now, what does employer of choice means? Okay, you as an employer, you are cataloged as employer of choice when your work environment is so good that employees want actually to be there. And there's actually a list that is updated every year that includes 100 best workplace to work in. And that's what employer of choice means. Now, of course, saving money and energy and operating costs and management risks. Now, this is the actual proposal. The actual proposal, or the aim of this proposal, is to demand companies in general a greater disclosure for stakeholders, customers, suppliers, employees, communities, investors, and of course other organizations. Now, my target is of course large companies, medium-sized enterprises, small-sized enterprises, but of course it is more quite focused on the small-sized enterprises and the medium-sized enterprises. Why is that? Because those two blocks of enterprise are actually growing, and they really don't have anything to share to the public yet. If you go with large companies, they all are public domains. Yes, you can just Google their finances and you can find them. But when talking about small size enterprises, you can find anything. You just can't. Now, how to achieve this full disclosure that my proposal is asking? Two basic points, yes, critical points. First, monthly financial reports. Of course, to the public in general. That includes full statistics and the company numbers, yes. And of course, external audits. That they check companies' records that are accurate and complete, so nobody's lying, yes. One way or another, corporations and companies must recognize their public obligations either voluntarily or by government legislations. Yeah. Governments can force such companies through taxes and the Securities Exchange Commission regulations. And of course, in the end, all things considered, there is much to be said about being socially responsible and having a full disclosure. Lately, managers and board directors find it hard to even carry on with their day-to-day activities, but if they want to make an economic change that will benefit the world and them as well, full disclosure and CSR is the way to go. Thank you. My name is Luis Ayala, and this was my proposal presentation.